It's the moment you've all been waiting for. Today, we're going to announce the winner of the Hot Summer Nights giveaway. Be sure to keep watching until the end of this video for a special announcement after the winner has been named. First off, the response to this giveaway has been overwhelming. By the end of the event, we had over 8,000 hams sign up to win over $4,256.90 in ham radio gear and accessories, making this our biggest giveaway yet. One of you watching this video will be contacted soon by our sales team to get you set up with the following gear: the Anytone 578 UV3 Pro tri-band mobile radio for use on the go, the Anytone 878 UV2 Plus dual band DMR handheld so you can stay on top of your HT game, the Skybridge Plus dual band digital hotspot so you'll never need to rely on a repeater ever again, the Xiegu G90 HF transceiver, antenna, cooling bracket, and CE19 data expansion card, aka the complete G90 bundle, a BCR40DU analog UHF repeater and duplexer so you can have your very own repeater system. You'll also receive a ton of high quality accessories like an Anytone tri-band antenna so you can make more contacts from further away, a Nagoya NA701 8-inch high gain female antenna for better reception, a Duracom 18 amp desktop power supply for your mobile radio, 2 Super Codeplug programming files so you never have to worry about programming your radio from scratch, our plug and play package programming service so you can start making QSOs right out of the box, access to Bridgecom University courses for Anytone mobile radios, handheld radios, and Skybridge Plus so you aren't left in the dark about how to use all your new gear. And last but certainly not least, your very own Bridgecom Systems hat. Now before we announce the winner, we want to let you in on a secret. Even if you didn't win today, you can still participate in a flash sale, today only, where you'll receive a free Super Codeplug with an order of an Anytone 878 UV2 Plus. That's a $50 value plus time saved programming your radio yourself. Remember, this flash sale ends midnight tonight. We're only announcing it in this video, so even if you didn't win today, you can still walk away with a nice consolation prize. Now then, we put it off for long enough. It's time to announce the winner of the Hot Summer Nights giveaway. Congratulations to Justus Dalton, KO4OTH, on being pulled as the lucky winner. You've just won $4,256.90 in radio gear and accessories in our biggest giveaway ever. Our team will be in contact with you soon. Now, if you weren't chosen, we have 2 pieces of good news for you. The first is that you can still cash in on today's flash sale for a free Super Codeplug with the purchase of an Anytone 878 UV2 Plus handheld. As a reminder, that sale ends at midnight tonight. Don't miss out. The second piece of good news is that we'll be announcing a new giveaway very soon. Keep an eye out on our content to check for the next announcement. A great way to stay on top of it is by subscribing to our YouTube channel and turning on notifications. That way you'll be notified when we post new videos so you can be the first to start entering the next giveaway. Once again, congratulations to Justus Dalton, KO4OTH, on winning the Hot Summer Nights giveaway. Also, a big thank you to everyone who participated in this huge event. Your passion for ham radio is what allows us to host giveaways like these. We're really excited to announce the next one, so stay tuned. As always, thanks so much for watching. I'm Cody, W3AMG 73.